Hey everyone, it's Jen Thoden with YourColorStyle.com. If you have gray hair, silver or white hair, a gray blend, or maybe you're thinking about growing the color out and going to your natural gray, I have a very special event for you. I have a webinar that I have been hosting. It's called Discover Your Best Colors to Wear If You Have Gray, White, or Silver Hair. So, if you've been struggling a little bit trying to figure out what colors flatter you, especially with your hair being different from all those perfect photos you see out online for color analysis, then this webinar is for you. It is free to register, and there'll be a couple different choices for you to join or even watch one of the replays. And there's even a special little gift at the end for you. So it's kind of amazing. I hope you register and enjoy it, and I'll see you inside.